So I'm on my way to Charlotte, North Carolina for the SCCA Tire Champ Tour, and it's going to be awesome. And last night I set out from Cincinnati at about 8:30 p.m. And ended up in the Smoky Mountains around 2 a.m. cruising the back roads, and so that was a lot of fun. And got to Cherokee last night, where I stopped, and then basically I was about 5 to 10 minutes from the start of the Blue Ridge Parkway here. So perfect timing, sunrise. I'm gonna go take some photos and just cruise and have a good time.
Now for Jonathan Bennett. Again, we have a number of cars with second place. He would have the lead by a tenth of a second. Thousands of Justin Beach popping ahead of Randall Wilcox as he gets used to Mendiana. Next finish is the priority. Let's see our next one. That's just my guess.
first heat today, so I got all my runs in already. And the first run, I laid down a clean time, ended up being my fastest time. And second run, I lost the rear end in the slalom and spun. The third run, I hit one cone. Otherwise, that would have been my fastest run. So kind of disappointing that my fastest was the first run when tires weren't warmed up all the way. But there's tomorrow, and we'll do better.
Action with 2 cars on course. Start, it's Brian Hoover in the Mustang.
That guy right there.
Well, we just got done with our 3 runs for the second day, and after run 2, I found a circle clamp that was holding the intake together had come loose and was just spinning around. So I tightened that up. Run 2 felt fine, like it didn't, the tune didn't feel off or anything, but run 3 felt great. It was the only run I didn't hit any cones, and then coming around the last corner to the finish, I had no boost at all. It was just 0 power to the finish. So I got my code reader here. Gotta go figure out what the heck's going on. Hopefully it's not broken. Well, after checking it out, it looks like the electrical clip for the TGV sensor popped out a little bit. And I think it just popped out enough to shut the butterfly valves, and that was what caused the issue. So we're still sitting in grid right now, just waiting for the finalized results, and then I'll start it up and make sure that everything's running okay. Just unfortunate, really unfortunate. Coned my first 2 runs, like I said, and that 3rd run was my fastest by a good bit, and I know that I lost at least a half a second because of that issue coming around through the finish. So anyway, but ending the weekend in first place, so I'm happy.